So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is RKNMJ and today we're gonna see the review of Kia Seltos, which is a GT line. So let's take a front look of the car. This car has a bold appealing, and this is the tiger nose grille with a piano black finish, and this is a diamond design front grille borders. Coming to the headlamps, this is a 4-beam LED headlamps with the daylight running DRLs. It runs from the headlights till the center of the bonnet. And coming to the fog lamps also get the LED unit. These are called the Ice Cube fog lamps. And on the down part you can see the silver skid plates with the red accents. You only get the red accents for the GT line. So this is the GT line variant. You can see the badging here. This is the indicator of the car. You get 3 line indicators with LED lights. There is no halogen unit in this car. You get also turn indicators on the mirror. And this is the side look of the car, guys. You can see the design is so elegant. This is fabulous design made by Kia. It's a great job done by Kia. And this car is in 4315 millimeters in length, 1800 millimeters in width, and 1645 millimeters in height. You get massive ground clearance. You can see the ground clearance. And this is a full-size 5-seater compact SUV. And coming to the wheels, the tire size happens to be 215/60 R17s. This is a 17-inch tire. It comes with diamond cut alloys, and this particular design comes with only the GT line, and the lower variant doesn't get the similar designs. So you get red finish here. As you can see, this car gets front and rear disc brakes, and only the front brake caliper is finished in red and the rear brake caliper is finished in grey. Just kind of disappointing. So, and these are the red accents which look beautiful, which is only for the GT model. And coming to the top look of the car, this car gets silver finished roof rails which are functional, and you get this chrome line running from the front which is so scintillating, and it ends up here. This car is brilliant in designs, and it gets chrome door handles. You get request sensors on both the doors. And guys, this is a rear look of the car. Rear design is also fabulous. You also get this red treatment even in the rear. This is kind of fake exhaust treatment. Fake exhaust stuff here in this car. You get silver finished skid plates here also. The exhaust is below. So these are not the real exhaust. You get back parking sensors and front parking sensors in this car. Coming to the lights are completely LED units. You don't get halogen units here. The lights are also mind-boggling here. You get chrome line running through the lights. This is the Kia logo, and you get reverse parking camera here. You can see the reverse parking camera. You get reverse parking sensors, which are 4 of them. This is a GT line badging. Also gets roof mount spoilers. This is the shark fin antenna. This car gets a massive of 433 liters of boot space. It is very huge. And these are the subwoofers. This car gets 60/40 split seats, and this is the parcel tray. And you get a reading light here. And this is a spare wheel of the car. This is a smaller size spare wheel. Size happens to be 205/65 R16s, and it is not an alloy. And so guys, this is the door of the car. This car gets manual sun blinds, so it is like this. And you get nice piano black finish. The door handle is finished in silver. Get nice leather treatments all around with the red stitching. This is the power window control. And this car gets Bose speakers surrounded This car gets 8 speakers, 4 main speakers, 4 tweeters and 1 amplifiers. This is a 1 liter bottle of space here. So coming to the rear support of the seat guys, this car has plenty of legroom and knee room. You can see the knee room is so wide. Can comfortably fit 3 passengers here. This car gets 3 adjustable headrests. And it also gets center armrest, which I cannot open now because it is wrapped. Under thigh support is maximum here. It's very nice. It's very comfortable also. And this is the rear AC vents of the car. And this is a USB charging port here and some storage space. And this is a LED reading lights. You get 2 of them. And you get non-illuminated scuff plates finished in silver with the Seltos badging, which looks premium to this car. So let's go to the driver's seat. So guys, we are in the interior of the car. This is a driver's seat and you can look at the dashboard. This is so mind-blowing. You can see the infotainment system is directly connected to the speedometer of the car. It is as a case we see in Benz cars. And coming to the front door of the car, this is the ORVM adjustments, auto retractable and closable. This is the lock and unlock button. And driver side gets auto up down with anti-pinch. And this is the child lock button. This is a tweeter. These are the steering mounted controls. These are the audio controls. To pick up and decline the call. This will increase the volume. This will change the tracks. This is the mode. Coming to the right side, these are the cruise control buttons. And this is to browse through the infotainment system. Let's go to the infotainment cluster. So on the left side you get a tachometer. On the right side you get the speedometer. The center unit is a digital one, so you can browse to the information. This is the accumulated info, fuel economy, drive information. This is the navigation compass. This is the tire pressure monitor. And here you get the gear detectors. This is the automatic version of the car. So you can see the AC vents are finished in silver. And these buttons, this is for the headlight leveler. This is to increase the intensity of the infotainment screen. So it decreases the intensity. And this is the heads up display. The heads up display is located here. And this is the traction control button. This is the engine start stop button. And this lever is for the headlight controls with the indicators. And this is the wiper controls. And coming to the infotainment screen, this is a 10.5 inch unit. So you get Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and whatnot. You get all the details in this thing. This car gets smart air purifier also. It is located here somewhere in the back. You can see the controls are so sleek. It gives immediate response. And coming to the IRVMs, this is an auto dimming IRVM with the SOS button. This is the roadside assistance and Uvo Connect. This car gets a separate feature called Uvo Connect, which is only for Kia cars. And this is a sunglass holder. And you get 2 reading lights. This is how you off it. You can on it individually. And this car also gets a sunroof. Sunroof is decently big. So it brings you a nice airy feeling to the car. close this now. And coming to the sun visors, this car doesn't get a mirror on the driver's side. You get only a ticket holder. And the driver's side you get mirror, but no lights. And guys, this car gets 6 airbags on offer. Front 2 airbags and back 2 airbags with the side pillar airbags. This is the AC of the car. This is a 2-zone climate control automatic AC with front and rear defoggers. This is to off the AC button. Get storage space below with USB charging ports with an aux port down. I hope you can see it. And you get a secret compartment here. So there's a wireless charging port. So I'm placing a phone, you can see the wireless charging port here. And coming to the gearbox, this is an IVT transmission gearbox with both automatic and manual options. And this is the drive mode selector of the car. You can on and off the traction control here also. So coming to the infotainment screen or the instrumental cluster, so you can see when I change the drive modes, this is the normal mode, this is the eco mode, and this is the sport mode. As you can see, when I put it to sport mode, the display changes. It's a cool thing of this car. And it even changes for the eco mode. This is the normal mode. And this car gets ventilated seats for the driver and co-passenger side. It's the co-passenger ventilated seat button. And this is the rear view monitor. So you can see this car gets 360 parking camera with guidelines that are adaptive. It gets manual handbrakes. This is a center armrest. You get storage space below. And here is a smart air purifier. As you can see, these are the pedals. This is an automatic car, only this is a brake, this is the accelerator, and this is to open the hood of the vehicle. You get a proper dead pedal. So the cuts and creases on this car are so nice. Bose surround system. This is the tweeters. Let me show you the amplifier of the car. This place below the co-passenger seat. So this is the amplifier. You can't see it because it is slightly dark here. And this car also gets 8 color optioned ambient lightings, which I forgot to tell you in the beginning, and I seriously don't know where it is placed, so that is why I'm not able to show you all. Side seat, you get electric adjust seats. These are 8-way power adjustable seats. You can see the side bolsterings are lot, so it gives you nice comfort. You get red stitching on the seat as well. And this is to open the fuel lid of the car. And so guys, this is a GTX Plus model of the car. This car is available in lot of variants. I will list you out, which is the HTE, HTE Plus, HTK, HTK Plus, and HTK Plus automatic, HTK Plus IVD transmission, and slightly above you go, you get HTX, HTX IVD transmission, HTX Plus. To the GT line, this car has 2 variants on offer in GT line, which is GTX and GTX Plus, and this is a GTX Plus which you saw now. It is available in both petrol and diesel. All the variants are available in petrol and diesel. And this is a GTX Plus Turbo DCT model. And let's look here, guys. These are the similar variants. One variant down is called as HDX. The only thing misses out is that this car doesn't get a 360 camera. And these orange accents are a part of accessories. You can blacken out the wheels also. You can come and take a look of the wheels. Wheels are slightly different in design compared to the GTX model. You get orange accents here also, which is a part of accessories. And so guys, as we saw the Kia Seltos review, this car comes with the courtesy of Quick Car Shiners, which is located in Kalyan Nagar, HBR second block. The best car washers in this locality. They also have ceramic and Teflon coating hubs, which is located in Hegde Nagar. So guys, today we saw the review of the Kia Seltos GTX Plus. Hope you all liked the video and the features of the car. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such interesting videos. So stay tuned till I catch up in another video. Bye bye.